Hey, if you're trying to make money with E1U Life and you want to know exactly how to do it, then stick with me through this video and I'm going to show you and tell you some methods that you could use to actually be able to make more sales in E1U Life. So what is E1U Life? E1U Life is basically tools and training that you get for online marketing, and you have kind of people that build pages for you for the system, and it's a high ticket offer. So basically that means when you make one of these sales in these packages, basically you could there's commissions for it, right? So it helps you to brand as a marketer and everything like that. So that's what you're doing when you're promoting E1U Life. You could start at $30 and it goes all the way up to $2,500 to go all in. So this is a high ticket offer that people promote, and I mean, you basically have this autoresponder in this web hosting. This autoresponder that they have, it's not really known out there, so I don't suggest using it. I really suggest using a household name autoresponder such as Aweber. That's what I use. That's what I suggest people use. And if you're not using that, then with these other less known autoresponders, it could be kind of tricky as far as the deliverability of your emails and things like that. And when you're selling a high ticket offer, it's very important to have a residual aspect to it, right? So that way, if you make a sale in E1U Life, and let's say you make a $2,500 sale, let's say it takes you 6 months to do, so you only make $2,500 in that 6 months, right? I highly suggest having residual when you're building your business online, and it's very important even when you're selling high ticket, because you may not make a high ticket sale for months at a time. So you get paid 1 month and then the next month you get nothing, right? And what people don't tell you when you sell high ticket is you have to be very good at connecting with people on Facebook, having conversations with people, and being able to actually find out what's going on with them in their life to be able to make sales in a high ticket opportunity. Majority of your sales are going to come from personal connection. So that's Facebook, that's YouTube, that's having an email list, right? And they don't tell you that you should have bonuses and things that you offer in order to get them to sign up for the high ticket with you. So you're pretty much taking your bonuses, you're packaging it together, and then you're offering it as a package to where people will buy from you because you offer something else that the company does not have. So it's something that E1U Life does not have. They cannot do personal bonuses for you. They cannot give you a personal touch. They cannot give you personal, branding of yourself, right? They could give you a template. They could give you things that they have as a company, but they cannot brand you as a marketer, right? So it's very important when you're selling a high ticket offer like E1U Life that you have bonuses, that you have things to give away, and that you have residual. So that way, let's say it takes you months at a time to make a sale, you're still making money, and that money comes in, continuously. So it's very, very important to actually have that set up and know how to actually, position your offers to get people to go all in with you. Because the only way somebody's going to go all in with you and spend, $2,500 is if they actually, connect with you. They know, like, and trust you, and you have something that nobody else has in this company, in this opportunity. So I would highly suggest, getting your own bonuses, getting something that you could offer people that you talk to, people that you create content, and they see your videos. I highly suggest getting bonuses and things like that, that you have. And if you don't have your own bonuses, that's totally fine. I can help you to be able to build and craft your offers and build and craft your bonuses for this that you give away with this, because it's all about positioning. It's all about offering something of value that's an irresistible offer, right? So just the stuff alone, it's not going to make you stand out from anybody else in this company. So, that's something that you got to be aware of, is you want to actually stand out from everybody else who's promoting E1U Life and everybody else who's doing E1U Life review. You want to be able to stand out from those people and be able to make money, be able to make the $2,500 all-ins. And how you do that is by actually, having a conversation with people on Facebook and actually, building your audience, building your brand, building your rapport. And, when you're able to do that and create something that other people can duplicate, that's when you have results, right? So, I don't know if you have any bonuses as of now, but I can help you to, create those bonuses and create a brand for yourself if you're selling E1U Life, right? I've created my traffic store right here where people come and they get email traffic, and I'm not just a regular solo ad vendor. Some solo ad vendors just sell traffic, but if you're a marketer who happens to sell traffic, right, you're not a solo ad vendor. Solo ad vendors just sell clicks, in a very different from anybody else, because I'll actually help you to get results, right? So my goal is to help people get the right traffic to their offers and be able to make sure that their landing page and their offer is congruent. And I want to make sure that you get high quality people to your offer, right? So, and I learned firsthand that you can't just send traffic to a funnel and expect for amazing results, right? You have to know what you're doing. You have to know copywriting. You have to know how to follow up. There's a lot of skill sets that go into email marketing, as well as a lot of skill sets that go into online marketing in general. So, basically, when you get, traffic from me, you're getting from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. And then my goal is to make sure that you get the highest conversions possible, and I help people in my group who work with me to actually get the highest conversions with their sales funnels. I also help people have as high as an 85% opt-in rate who work with me, so I can help you to get those results that you want. You could see in my testimonials down below. We're going to go there in a minute. And I want you to understand how to actually track your leads and conversion rates. That's really important when people are getting traffic to their offer, right? Knowing how to read your stats, knowing what your stats are, knowing if something is good or bad, right? So you're not wasting money and you're not blowing money. And other people are going to tell you just to keep buying traffic, and that's not the way that you want to go. You want to actually be able to know your stats when you're getting traffic, right? And I want to help you build a list of highly engaged people who actually want what you have to offer. So that's what I do. And then down here, here's some of the results that I've got for people. And you can look at these testimonials. I've had a lot of results for people, and my highest opt-in rate with sales is 88.9%. And you can look at these testimonials right here. Here's my packages, so you're going to want to pick a package that works for you. So you could get 90% T1 or 100% T1. 100% T1 is always the best. Here's some of the offers that people have had that I work with, right? And then here's some of the questions that people ask. And then my guarantee to you is I cannot offer refunds on paid traffic, but what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic. If you have any issues with your order, I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered, and I will satisfy. That's my guarantee to you, right? I value each and every man or woman that gets traffic from me. And if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, you could leave a message right here, or you could reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be happy to help you out. And I want you to know, when you get traffic from me, it's not like getting traffic from anybody else. I believe in helping you to get results long term, so I'm going to actually help you to do that with the campaign review, which is what you would get after you book your package from me. Is I help you to get the best conversions possible. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you click on the link in the description. It'll bring you to this page. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also have a free Facebook group that you're going to want to get into. In that Facebook group, I give tips, tricks, and training on how to get conversions and actually how to promote your business online. So you're going to want to get into that Facebook group as well. So, make sure you check out all the links in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.